The management of tourism takes into account upfront the shocks that could happen that could dislodge and dislocate the industry over a long period of time.
Resilience building and crisis management within the tourism sector is paramount, but even more so for countries like Jamaica, where much of our foreign income is dependent on this area. The fear of the COVID-19 virus is largely behind us, but we should never forget the stipulations it brought or the domino effects. It means that going forward, measures must be put in place to manage events such as these that threaten the sector. That is what the Global Tourism Resilience and Crisis Management Center is about, helping tourism stakeholders worldwide to prepare for, manage, and recover from crises that affect the sector. And the annual Global Tourism Conference put on by the Center brings together stakeholders to have this conversation.
When we all come together jointly as a group, we can come up with better ideas, better coordination, and a more seamless execution of strategies to ensure that the industry can withstand shocks.
Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett, the man behind the mission, has been championing the cause of mitigating against vulnerabilities to help strengthen the sector.
We must harness innovation, champion sustainability, and foster collaboration across all sectors to ensure that the next crisis, whatever form it takes, does not cripple our progress, but rather spurs our creativity and resolve.
At the 2025 Global Tourism Resilience Conference, the theme was Building Tourism Resilience Through Digital Transformation, bolstering conversations to this effect.
In the past few years, the quest to build resilience, digital technology and its allies, artificial intelligence, for example, and data analytics, have become part of the reservoir of knowledge and information that the Center has embraced and is enabling the development of toolkits and different forms of action that can enable those 5 touch points.
Touch points being developed by the Global Tourism Resilience and Crisis Management Center in the form of real-time data analytics to be able to monitor travel flows, consumer trends, and potential risks, and virtual engagements and marketing to offer immersive experiences that can keep destinations atop the mind, even during travel pauses.
And I give you an example. During COVID, we were able to have a virtual mass wedding at Laughing Waters in Ocho Rios, where I was the master of ceremony, and there was a minister, and we actually married 140 couples across the world and said to them, when COVID is over, come to Jamaica for your honeymoon.
Also involved is smart destination management, enhancing visitor experiences through digital ticketing, crowd management, and personalized itineraries that promote sustainability and authenticity. Crisis communication too, facilitating swift and clear communication with stakeholders, travelers, and local communities in times of crisis.
By weaving these digital tools into tourism strategies, we can foresee disruptions, respond effectively to crises, and ensure the continuity of this vital sector.
And it is going to take all hands on deck to make it happen.
We invite each and everyone from across the world to embrace the essence of tourism resilience, not just as a means of being able to track, mitigate, manage, recover, and thrive after disruptions, but as a means of ensuring sustainable development and growth.
The notion of resilience for us, it's not just one of the sexy catchphrases that from time to time gets introduced into our vocabulary. Resilience is an important very important way of life, mindset of the government.